subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you. Hi everybody. Today, my mom went to Taco Bell and got my favorite little snacky. So good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. And we got this spicy cheese sauce that's spicy to me. Put the chip back in. We got your cute thing, I don't know. It's like a little bag so I don't feel bad. Like if you had a bad day, you have this. Go to Taco Bell and you can get this. You're cute. Just put that on the other side. And this is for me. I'm gonna eat them later. Okay. And my favorite chips. Just put that aside. I'm not gonna eat this also. Bye.